Hi, how are we doing? And welcome to Learning for Legends for age group 9 to 10, year 5, 4th grade in the States. And I've got a really nasty test for you this week. I was working it out earlier and I feel like it's a really tough one for you guys. So I hope you are ready to work hard. Now then, let's have a look at the words. We've got 20 words here. And a few different patterns to check out. Okay, so nation, station, dictation and motion, all with this suffix, T-I-O-N, suffix meaning the back end, the ending of a word. All right, so nation, station, dictation and motion, all with a sort of shun sound, but spelt T-I-O-N. Question, a word that you'll definitely be familiar with, all right, spelt the same, T-I-O-N, but a chun sound, a slightly different one for the shun. So every week we're seeing the complexities of the English language and sort of silly spellings and annoying things that are slightly strange about one week, but I mean, this is a very good sign of that. These are shun, question, all right, so different sound. But all I-O-N, so 5 words there with a T-I-O-N, all right, excuse me. Now then, we've also got a couple of words here which are QA, so with the question, we've got question, quarter and quarrel, all right, all starting with what's called a prefix at the beginning of the word with QU, so those are there, and then this is where I think it's a really tough test this week. Belief, i.e., believe, i.e., grief and grieve, all of these i.es, niece and peace, i.es. Anything with an i.e. I think is complicated because of how it can reverse with words like receive, where it's the other way around and then we have to learn the I before E rule. So it always makes one think. But if we can try and make sure you learn those really well, that would be great. And then we've got an odd one here, dwarf and dwarf. So they're testing you on the funny plurals. And then the last bunch, the last 5 here are O-U-G-H-T words. So we've got ought, bought, thought, naught and brought. And they are all spelt the same and sound the same, so not too confusing there. But ones to look out for, and it's more to do with the meanings, and I assure you adults get this one wrong too, is to know the difference between bought, which is from the verb to buy, and when you're buying something, and then brought, where you bring something from the verb to bring. So that's a good chance for not only to get to know the spellings, but to ensure that you understand the meaning of both of those and use them correctly in the right circumstance. Okay, so there we go. Test number 2. I hope you're up for it. Take them away, jot those all down, and then when you're ready to read them, say them, cover them up, write them out, and then check them. That useful method that is tried and tested. So we'll see you in the next video in test number 2, and look forward to it.